We're going to look at scale drawings in lesson 110. In example 1, it says the base of the White House is 168 feet long and 85 feet. So I clearly drew the White House. All right, there's your White House. And what it wants us to do is draw a scale representation of the base. All right, here's our base, using the scale of 1 centimeter to 30 feet. So I always like to write our ratio here. Okay, we have two different ways to write a ratio. Okay, either of these ways would work. All right, so I write it vertically rather than horizontally. And the book gives one way of doing it, but this is kind of the way I prefer to do it. And y'all have done this in unit conversions when you're converting, you know, whatever measure, you know, inches to yards or whatever. So what we need to do, we need to create a little scale. So we have the feet right here. We want to get to centimeters. So I'm going to take each side length. So for example, I'm going to take 85 feet. Now, which ratio do I need to multiply by, A or B, in order to get the feet to cross out? Because if it's top and bottom, they would cross out. Well, clearly I need this one. So I'm going to do 1 centimeter over 30 feet. So now what happens is my feet cancel out because they're opposite. Once again, this is over, or remember that this is over 1. So it's a top and bottom, numerator, denominator can cancel. And then, basically, we're doing 85 divided by 30. So 85 divided by 30 gives me 2.8. All right, so over here, my little scale drawing, 2.8 centimeters. So we got one. Now we need to do the 168. So now basically I'm just going to plug in the 168 and divide that by 30. All right, 168 divided by 30 is 5.6. So then I think we're looking for I'm saying if we're looking for perimeter or area. Okay. It didn't say we're looking for a perimeter or area, so those are actually your two answers. So you were looking for perimeter of it, you could add it, area, obviously multiply it, but that is how you do scale drawings. You just multiply by whatever the ratio is that it gives you and make sure your variables cross out to get the desired variable, which in this case was centimeters.